Windows update error? 0x800705B4 got you stuck? Don't worry. This timeout error is one of the most common Windows issues, and the fix is easier than you think.
Error 0x800705B4 translates to end your term in Windows. It means your update process took too long and Windows gave up. It can happen during download, during installation, or even after restart when Windows tries to finalize the update.
There are several reasons this error occurs. Corrupted update cache files are the #1 culprit. Stuck Windows Update services can freeze the entire process. Third-party antivirus software may block update components. Corrupted system files or a slow internet connection can also trigger this timeout.
The most effective fix is clearing the Windows Update cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type netstop wuauserv and press Enter. Then type netstop-bits and press Enter. Now rename the SoftwareDistribution folder and the catroot2 folder. Finally, restart the services by typing netstart wuauserv and netstart-bits. This forces Windows to download fresh update files.
If corrupted system files are the cause, run SFC and DISM. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type SFC scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish. Then type DISM online cleanup image, RestoreHealth, and press Enter. This repairs the Windows component store.
When automatic updates keep failing, try manual installation. Go to Windows Update History and find the KB number of the failing update. Then visit the Microsoft Update Catalog website. Search for that KB number, download the correct version for your system, and run the installer directly.
The quickest fix to try first is the built-in Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then System, then Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. The Troubleshooter will automatically detect and fix common issues.
Third-party antivirus can interfere with Windows Update. Temporarily disable real-time protection in your antivirus software, then try the update again. If it works, add Windows Update to your antivirus exclusion list. Always re-enable your antivirus immediately after updating.
To prevent this error from coming back, keep your drivers updated, especially network and chipset drivers. Run disk cleanup regularly to free up space. Use a wired internet connection during major updates, and never run multiple antivirus programs at the same time.
If this guide fixed your error, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows Error Fix videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.